There's never been a good time to have an unexpected breakdown or large repair bill, but having one around the holidays, that's the worst. The good news is Ryan Nissan has a solution. Today, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons to use our Buy Now, Pay Over Time flexible payment solution from Sunbit at Ryan Nissan.
So I needed a new set of tires, and I was ready to pay for them all at once, but then I learned about the Sunbit option at Ryan Nissan. It let me buy the tires when I needed them, and then I could pay for them over time. It made it so much more manageable.
Paying for a large repair is stressful, especially when the money is tight. It's uneasy for you, and it's awkward for me. With Sunbit, there's no more awkward conversations, no more hassle at the time of payment, just great experiences for everyone.
The thing I love about the Sunbit option is how quick and easy it is. All it takes is a simple scan of your ID and a little bit of personal information. In less than a minute, you'll have an approval level and you'll be able to choose between 3, 6, or 12-month flexible payment plans.
Here's a stat that might surprise you. Over 90% of Sunbit applicants are approved. Even if you have had a credit hiccup, there's a good chance you'll be approved. And don't worry, your credit will not be negatively affected by simply applying.
You've heard me say it before, but Ryan Nissan is about total vehicle care. That means taking care of your vehicle when it needs to be taken care of. Having Sunbit as a flexible payment option can help get that work done when it's needed.
There's enough to worry about around the holidays. Repair bills should not be one of them. The flexible payment options at Ryan Nissan are designed to remove the stress and allow you to get back on the road in no time.